When we founded Carbon Chemistry in November of 2017, a term that comes to mind is two guys in a truck. There wasn't much there. And Lejen, my brother, would come up from Colorado Springs a couple times a week in order to fill bags for online orders. And it's hard to imagine today how little product we moved. You know, we saw an opportunity and we didn't find many people out there doing the same thing. With our understanding of the industry and the opportunity to supply those who need, it made sense to just go nose down and push as hard as we could. But really, those first few months, we didn't have our first employee for the first 5 months of operation, but the team grew. And in 2018, we continued to scale up. And pretty soon we were looking at larger warehouse space, more people, office space, as we needed every square inch for inventory. When we talk about new buildings, it's important to think of where we came from. We started off Carbon Chemistry in one 5,000 square foot standalone building that was half office, half warehouse space, and we just had to make it work. Even though we just started off as a couple guys trying to solve a need, we are now faced with new challenges, and the challenge is scale and meeting the expectations of our customers and their scaling challenges. Today, our office space totals about 2,000 square feet and our warehouse space is pushing around 10,000. And we're moving into an additional 20,000 square foot of warehouse space and another 3,700 square feet of office space to support this mission and growth. I've been asked a lot lately, why do I do this? Why do I do my role? Why do I, what drives me? I really struggle to come up with a concise answer to that question. But when I think of a project, I may not have the experience or the background to know the answer, but it just seems so necessary to have a positive outcome, because 5 minutes of my time can save somebody 4 hours, and that 4 hours that person saved could affect hundreds of manufacturers in the quality of what they get. And when you have that kind of outweighed impact, you feel a need to do your best. And I always tell people in our company, all you can do is your best, and that's all I ask for. And I'd be a hypocrite if I didn't do the same thing. And so I guess that's what drives me, is that I strive to do my best for my people and who we affect. When we started Carbon Chemistry, we were just trying to provide products which were needed for processing of cannabis and trying to find what people needed and wanted and just make that available. Our goal was to have an impact. And we have managed to have an impact by being recognizable and by working with lots of manufacturers and supporting this industry. But I think that goal has really changed because we still want to have an impact, but as we've reached more markets and we're supporting more people, the type of impact we can have has changed. I'm really looking forward to the opportunity that we have to partner with others that are doing really exciting things for people, the planet, and this industry, and to see what small role we can play in helping to prop up and support the future.